Did I ever tell you the definition of insanity?
Call your targets. We'll take them all at once.
¡No ha sido un accidente! ¡Vamos, avanza! ¡Continúa avanzando! ¿Qué carajos ha pasado? Espera un momento.
Targets marked. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop smoke! Secure the convoy. Engage all targets.
¡Cuidado, nos atacan! ¡No los veo! ¿Dónde están?
Close on the target. Okay, let's go.
¿Dónde está yo?
Move up!
¡Necesitamos refuerzos! ¡Maldita sea! ¡Cuidado, es el ejército!
Activate thermals. Contact, contact! Left, watch left! Target down! Hostile down! Watch it! Watch out! That's it, we're clear. Griffin, Predator has secured the convoy.
Copy, Predator. Get a feed on that cargo. We'll verify from here.
Roger.
Form up on me. Eyes up. I don't want any surprises. Griffin, you reading this?
Roger, we're capturing. We'll do a comparison to be sure, but it's looking good.
Copy that. What the hell?
Predator, get out of there!
Boom! Get clear! Get clear, move! Run! Go, 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 go!
Damn it, don't talk to me. Scramble the recovery team. I've got men down in the field. My whole team's down.
Major.
Gentlemen,
We loading up?
when we're done here, our unit's never been hit this hard before. Now, why don't you just take a minute, share a word, say a prayer if that's your way.
We're good to go, sir.
All right then, let's go get these sons of bitches that did this. Details will be on your MRTs. The bomb that killed our men was headed for our southern border. They paid a steep personal price to stop it. But that's the cost we choose to bear for our nation. The cost that Ramirez, Allen, McGann, and Haynes chose to pay on our behalf. Their sacrifice was not in vain. Let's just make sure we don't have to make the same one again. That bomb had to pass through a lot of hands to end up where it did. One of the men in the chain, Gabriel Paez, wants to come in. And Paez is a mid-level drug runner and a new kid on the block in gun running. Sounds like he bit off more than he could chew, and now he wants out. He claims he didn't know the bomb's target. Blah, 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 I don't care. Paez is a loose thread. Time to pull.
A sensor picks up hostiles and pipe the intel back to your HUD. Just throw it out where you think the bad guys are hiding, and you'll get a lock on their positions. Walls, vehicles, doesn't matter what they're hiding behind. If this goes to plan, you won't have to do much shooting. See?
Hola. No. Espera. No me importa, cállate ya. Ya te lo dije, Paez no está aquí. Bueno, no está ahora. Es que no apareció, no es un fantasma. ¡Localízalo! ¡Ay, idiota!
Clear. Overlord, this is Hunter. We're at the rendezvous, but no sign of the package.
Copy that. What's the situation?
Messy. House is ransacked. Paez must have bugged out.
Understood. We'll track his cell and try to get a fix on him.
What do we do in the meantime?
Keep our eyes open and get ready to do some hunting.
Hunter, Overlord, we've got Paez on comms. Patching him through directly.
Hello? Are you there?
Mr. Paez, my team's at the rendezvous, ready to get you out.
Someone tip them off. They're after me. I'm on the move. You'll have to come to me. Demark it. Hurry.
Go, get moving. Move to cover. Stay out of sight. Hold your fire. We need to see if there are any more around. Deploy a sensor. That'll give us a better idea. We got contact. Slide.
Area secure.
Go.
We're good to go.
Clear out. There he is. Visual on Paez. Get a sensor online.
Deploying sensor. Hostile contact. Dead ahead.
Búsquenlo al Paez. Tiene que estar por aquí.
Protect the VIP. Engage all hostiles. Turn it down. Dead ahead!
They're moving!
Moving position!
LZ. See if we can pull the VIP out.
Twisting, be advised. LZ is hot.
Understood, Hunter. We'll do our best.
Hurry up.
RPG!
Watch it, incoming! Sorry, Hunter. It's too tight down there. We're gonna have to bail.
Twisting, get clear. We'll rally at secondary.
Roger that. Good luck.
Let's wrap this up! Suppressing!
How much longer?
He's down! Get ahead! It's the rifleman!
I'm being shot. Where the hell are you?
Hold it, stop! Hostile, 9 o'clock! It's the rifleman! ¡Quítanse ya, cabrones, o les mato! ¡Váyanse ya! ¡Lárganse ahorita!
Moving, cover!
12 o'clock! ¡Ahí está! ¡Disparen, disparen! I'm pinned! Watch it by that car! He's ready at MG! Target down!
Form up on me. We've got some climbing to do.
Hunter, Overlord. We've got a fix on the VIP cell signal. We'll keep track of him for you.
Copy that. You sure he's worth the trouble?
That's a negative. But DIA wants him, so we deliver.
He knows we're the good guys, right?
He knows we're his only way out. That's gonna have to be good enough.
Doesn't seem too happy about it. If he survives, I'll be sure to remind him of his good fortune.
Let's see what's inside. Get a sensor in there.
Sensor out.
Hostiles. Set up to breach. Hostiles. Forward with assault rifles. Right ahead of us.
Let's go! Hostile down! Reloading!
That's a confirmed kill. Overlord Hunter, you got a status on the package?
Still on the move. Thermals are showing a lot of activity. The whole area's stirred up.
Search parties?
Mixed with civilians. Watch yourselves. Watch your targets.
Roger that. Go. Get moving. Heads up. Here we go. He's moving to cover.
Sensor out! 12 o'clock! Target down! Moving!
They're pinned down!
Look out! Move! Last truck!
Be quick. Stay out in the open. Move from cover to cover.
Contact! Down ahead! Everyone identify! Hostile down!
We got you.
How much longer?
We're working our way to you, sir. Just be cool.
Your people told me they were sending the best. I hate to see your B team.
We're close. A couple more minutes, we'll have you out of there.
Come on, Gold! Get it together! Right! Got one! Copy that! We're in control now! I'm moving to cover! Right! Hostile down! I'm reloading! Get ahead!
Nailed one!
Cow, we got this! Watch frag out! Copy, frag going out! They're pinned down! He's down!
They're in the streets looking for me. What the hell are you doing?
We're clearing them out along the way, sir. Sit tight.
Come on, let's move! Come on, let's move!
Squeeze under here. Watch your heads.
Pick it up, come on! Go on!
Moving!
Get fire on that RPG! Where is he?
Roof! The roof! They're breaking down! Keep the pressure on!
Tug it down!
They're on the roof! He's got an RPG!
Reloading! He's down!
We're good. Area's clear.
We read you, sir. Go ahead.
I'm at the safe house. How much longer?
2, maybe 3 minutes. Are you secure?
No, they're right outside.
Just stay calm, all right? Keep your head down. We don't want them to hear us coming. Switch to suppressed.
I should never have trusted you. And your people give me assurances.
Sir, I assure you we'll get you out. If you do what I tell you.
Just hurry. Shit!
Fire! Fire! Come on, Ghost, we gotta move.
2 riflemen. Over by the rubble.
Deploy sensors.
Heads up, 3 more. By that shipping container. Sensor deployed. Contact. It's live. 3 o'clock. On the move.
Don't set off any alarms or they'll kill the VIP.
Kill confirmed.
If they see us, they'll kill them for sure.
You're gonna get spotted. Dropped him. Reloading.
They'll shoot Paez if they know we're coming, so let's make sure they don't.
Location confirmed. He's in there. What's the count? 4, plus the VIP.
Stack up. We'll go in fast. Check your targets. Execute, execute, execute.
¡El enemigo ataca!
God, you sons of bitches!
Overlord, Hunter, we have the package.
Roger that, Hunter. Twisting took damage. She's airborne, but we can't risk the
You
bird
call this
again.
a rescue?
The alternate LZ's too hot. We'll have to go contingency.
Change of plans. We're headed back downhill.
Move, move! I can walk on my own!
Hold here.
At least give me a weapon! I can fight!
We don't need you getting shot again, sir. Form up around the VIP. Diamond formation.
All right, let's go!
Keep fire on them! We got this! We gotta move! Down, now!
This is it! I'm going to die!
Left! Head behind those buildings! Moving, moving!
Move, move! Clear the way! Go, go, go! I would have been better off on my own.
Keep moving, come on!
Move it, come on!
Run!
Oh, fast is the place! Run! Fuck you! I give myself up!
Down on the blue! Keep fire and cover! I'm holding! Lock on six! There's the time! Come on, we can do this! Go time! Let's go, let's go! Oh, come on! Move, move, move! Take your left! Let's go, let's go! RPG launching! Get down, get down! Oh. Cover the VIP! Engage, engage! Returning fire! Go, go, go!
You all right? Fine.
Keep moving! What? Take down that door! Get the back inside!
Yeah! Him help, man! I don't believe it. You got me out.